us acting foolishly on American Bandstand.
Oh, dang it. Hate it when that happens. Where the hell did that come from? Son of a bitch. How the hell am I going to get this thing moved? Damn engines from the heaven falling in the middle of the driveway. This happens to me every weekend and I get sick of it. I don't see any evidence of any intruders or anything. Probably came from a UFO. Happens a lot around here. You know. They go hovering on over and their damn small blocks fall out, land in the middle of the yard. Well, guess I'll pick this one up somehow and get him moved. Things are heavy though. I mean, well, we'll see what we come up with.
On American Bandstand, a god with spastic baskets.
Oh, so much work being me. And that's how you move an engine. Any questions?
Scaling up the heights of folly.
Okay, so what I got is, we got this 10 horsepower Craftsman lawn tractor. We got a shelf built here on the back out of angle iron and some formed 1/8" plates, and then these stringers here strengthen them up. Cherry picker clamps on 2 pieces of angle. They're sitting in here at an angle. They're at about 15 degrees tilted up. Cherry picker clamps into there. These casters slide in, and the pins drop right through holes inside those tubes. You jack him up, lifts the engine off the ground, and we've got up here, we've got these jugs filled with water. I've only got 2 of them filled right now, the 2 middle ones, for counterweight on the front, just to help with the steering. It doesn't really pick the front end up all that much, but it's enough to affect the steering, so that's why I put that on there. Is when you have a load, you want to be able to steer So I put that on there. And when I first built this thing, I had that cherry picker hanging off the front, but it was just way too unstable. It was yeah, wildly unstable. So I thought about it last night, re-engineered the whole works, and this is what I've come up with. And the damn thing, it works pretty damn good. I mean, it does what you need it to do. I drug this old engine out of the weeds back behind my shop with it today. The only problem is once you get in deep grass, she likes to get stuck. Them tires just spin. I need some knobbies back there or something. But it does work. That's going to make life a heck of a lot easier. And then when it comes time to have a cherry picker, 2 clamps. It comes right off of there. Pull those out, you slide your cherry picker legs in, pull your pins back in, and you're off and running for a cherry picker. I didn't modify that thing at all. Pretty darn cool, I think.